Hello guys, you can see this is the forest in Germany in autumn time. You can see leaves, really beautiful. And yeah, I'm actually going India tomorrow. And today in morning I had corona test, and still after vaccination you need corona test if you are traveling to India. And yeah, I will tell you how will be the situation in airport and all, because the many people are traveling because of the Diwali and New Year. So let's see how many public is there and how traffic is there and what is the rule changes, because some people said you, if you landed at Mumbai airport you have to do corona test, but now from 25th October some rule are changes. So I will tell you, and you can see what are rules and again in next part. I got my corona result and it's negative. So, and it's took 24 hours to get it. And yeah, now I'm ready to go. And after 6 hours, I have flight from the Hamburg, and it's connecting flight. So yeah, I'm ready to go now. And I didn't had much holidays for Diwali's. Like if you are working or studying in Germany, just calculate your holidays, like if you are doing internship thesis or a work student or a full-time work, because some companies have rules like you have to take holidays in December, Christmas time, like a whole company will be closed, so you have to use your holidays there at that time. But yeah, sometimes you can save the holidays and you can use it. And yeah, I'm finally going for Diwali. And yeah,
Nächster Halt: Hamburg Hauptbahnhof. Diese Zugfahrt
so finally arrived at Hamburg Hauptbahnhof. And if you want to take a train, it take like a 30 minute with S1, and if you want to go with bus it take 40 minutes. But night time you have to see the schedule of the bus and tram, because it's in the night in between, after 1 o'clock there is only buses available. So oh, this train is going to Lübeck, which I can.
કેવું આપણું કમ્યુનિકેશન તો હતું તો બરાબર ટ્રાફિક થઈ
ક્યાં હા
અરે ભાઈ તો કનેક્ટ કરવું જ પડે છે તો આમ્સ્ટરડામ C60 હાલ ત્રીજું
ઠીક છે.
Auf Ihr Boarding Pass auf Ihr Boarding Zones. Zuerst, wir fangen an mit den Fluggästen. Nur in Priority Boarding Zones 1 und 2. Sie boarden auf der rechten Seite. Auf der linken Seite bei der Online Boarding Maschine
समझ में
fängt wir
आया
an kurz danach mit den Fluggästen Boarding Zones 3. Die anderen
Und
Fluggäste,
Nara.
bitte, haben Sie einen Moment Geduld.
Hello guys, so now after 3 years I'm going to India for celebrating Diwali. Like after last 2 years I was here in Germany and celebrating New Year and Diwali, but this year I got chance to go to India and I met one student from here. He's studying in Rostock, right?
Yeah, I'm studying.
And
I
he's-
finished my master thesis.
Oh, cool. Then he's searching for job and his name is Pius. So he's also going for Diwali. And in which university you are?
I'm in Rostock University.
Oh, cool. Then why you are flying on
Uh,
3rd November to India?
Why?
Mm.
Because of my sister marriage,
Mm-hmm.
and the marriage will be on 12th December.
Okay, yeah.
And because and last year I also went to India,
Mm.
but right now I want to meet my family as well. That's why I'm going to India.
Yeah, it's marriage season in India in December, so everyone is flying. Also, my cousin have a marriage, so yeah, so we are flying. And so what is the regulation? Have you seen any different like last year and now? Because
Yeah, there was a lot of difference from last to this year.
Mm.
Actually, last year it was not that kind of regulation, but right now it is very strictly
Hmm.
that you have to follow this kind of rules when you enter the airport and when you make the check-in, then you have to keep your document very carefully,
Yeah.
and they will ask like you have a ready document, then you can go further.
Yeah. So basically, they required some document as a vaccination certificate and also your PCR negative test, and they also asking for Arogya Setu application and self declaration form. Like if you fill that form, you don't have to take PCR test in India. Like from 25th October, there is new rule. So if you upload your negative certificate of PCR test and your corona vaccination certificate, you don't have to take the PCR test in Mumbai or Delhi airport and also Bangalore airport. So it's new some changes in the flight, and yeah, I think this is the like we are used to. Like last year we had some stress like how will be process and what you have to do, but this year we well prepared and we make some prints also with us and make a self test and PCR test again. And so it's quite easy. And then here at Hamburg airport the supporting staff is really funny,
Cooperative.
yeah, cooperative and making funny jokes and all, so people can feel same as earlier before corona. So it's
We
going
made a
good.
check-in both
Yeah,
together.
yeah, so we was just going and one guy was there in checking and said, hey, come and how are you, and
Yeah.
make some jokes and said, hey, if you want to sit together we can make a two seat.
Yeah.
And it was friendly atmosphere here, so it's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, and see you maybe in 1-2 hours we will be at Amsterdam airport. And
Good job.